What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is 18-year-old woman turns $2.25 bus fare into felony arrest. Let's get into the video.
You get tased!
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to an 18-year-old female causing a disturbance on a bus.
Okay.
Oh, no, it ain't damn.
Okay.
But the bus is.
Right, no, I understand that.
See that?
What exactly happened? Tell us from the beginning to the end.
Hey, but let me go. I got my union rep on me.
Okay.
But I'll
Tell
call
us
you back.
here.
Okay, all right, bye. What happened was when she got on, because we requesting that everybody show ID now. It's they came up with this new policy and procedure.
Okay.
No ride. I'm gonna say no ID, no ride, no fare.
Okay.
No. So when she showed me her ID, I said I said you got to show me the current date on it, right? So I said you don't even go to that school no more. She said no, I don't.
I think we need to go
I said well you got
to Tango 17.
That's all it was. So she said, I ain't got no problem with that. I ain't got no ML problem with that. Boom, he was on here because he patrolled and making sure that I'm doing my job and challenging the fare. So they boom, hit this, and when she walked back to the back, she, B this, F this.
All right, so what did she came from the outside or from the inside?
From the outside, because we closed the door.
You closed the door?
Right,
Okay.
because she didn't want to get off. So she took his belongings, threw them outside, took the pen, threw it up here towards me, and then she went back
what?
A writing pen. And then she took his clipboard and threw it outside. So she went to walking up and walking off, then she called somebody. She was just outraged for no reason, because she had to pay.
Okay.
That's how it all started. So then we closed the doors because she was getting, because it wasn't time for me to go, so I had to close the doors, and then that's when she came up here, and kicked the doors.
So she was right outside the bus?
Yeah.
So still young, screaming at you?
Yeah.
And then you closed the door, and she kicked?
Right. And why I closed it, because she was standing where you was, and I kind of felt like she was finna hit somebody, so I closed the doors, and then that's when she took it out on the bus. Started banging the doors, kicking right here. They go a shoe print over here too, And then she cracked that. She kicked that so hard. Then she called me out and told me to come out and what she'll do to me, this and that. She's a danger. And she was calling somebody on the phone, so I kind of got panicking because I don't know who she called. You know what I mean? So that's how that happened, But she just got mad over the fare.
That's all it was. How much was the fare, if I may?
$2.25.
Okay. All right.
$2.25.
$2.25.
And then I said, okay, it's over with. You're on here, you're riding, but she still was cussing me, cussing him, and by the new policy and procedure, that's not tolerated anymore. You know what I mean?
I understand.
So I had told her, I said, well, just get off and, catch the next one that's coming behind me. I ain't waiting no effing 30 minutes, and now you're finna go to jail. And that's what I kept telling her. I said, girl, you're kicking these people, bus, you're going to jail. I got it on video. I kept telling them, you're going to jail. You damage these people, bus.
78.
Yeah.
All right. Any recording?
It's showtime. Let's get her.
You get tased!
Done. What you gonna do? Run in the woods? Oh, boom! Got her.
Put your hands behind your back.
Woo!
Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
Got her together.
Say it to the boy. You got her. Give me a second. Tough up. Why?
Got her together, boy. Good job.
Just got out of jail.
We're behind 1240. I think it's 70.
Just got out of jail. 18. You going back?
Wait,
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Y'all lift me first.
Give me your hand.
Give me a second.
Give me your hand.
Bro.
I can't breathe. You can't always breathe. Get out of here.
Can y'all get those?
Hold on.
You can breathe when you were running.
Bro.
Yeah, 10-4.
I don't know what's wrong with the youth nowadays. Got anger issues for real.
bro.
Exactly. What do you want? You put in this one. Wait, can you hold her for a second? I'm gonna do pictures of the probes.
Going to jail over $2.
Nope. Do you have a sport bra underneath this? Miss?
That's what I saw right there.
You is not no girl. Do not lift up my shirt.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this out. Hold on a second, okay? I'll keep your head. It's just like a pinch coming out, okay? Maybe one more. You just search it up and did it work? Yeah, you got her?
No, it froze my body up. That was my first time getting tased by one.
Wait, we did freeze up.
At first, I ain't gonna lie, I thought like I was just gonna be able to keep going. Ain't gonna lie. That hit me.
Stay right.
Why is a male searching me?
Our policy states that we're allowed to search as long as we got multiple witnesses, which everyone's got their body cams on right now, okay? Step around here, let's get you in the back of this cruiser. Where's my pin at? Oh, is it unlocked? Have a seat.
Young and dumb.
Hey Siri. Call Tay Tay.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Ooh.
This ain't socialized time. Get me to the.
Ooh.
If you ain't
Apple
had
got that new
you know
update,
what,
boy.
juice your ass. Hey Siri. Dial 7274. I was finna say, hey. How long does this process usually take?
Say again, I'm sorry.
How long does this process usually take with y'all standing here talking?
Well, you gotta wait for somebody to come over here and do a show up, and then after that...
What's that?
A show up is where the person tells us if you're the person they saw or not. And then we'll go from there.
Oh, this that bus slider driver lady. She better not get on that bus. I know that much.
Come here real quick.
Y'all had the lady come identify me?
Somebody, I don't know if it's her or not.
I done that can see through the window. It's either her or that fat bald head, man.
Just to cover myself, I'm going to read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Yep. All right, ready to get you out. Leave your cuffs up front and get you out of here, okay? Coming out.
In the end, Juliana was charged with burglary, battery, resisting arrest without violence, and criminal mischief. Her case remains ongoing. If you like this video,
Yeah, these kids is crazy. these YNs is crazy, man. You tripping out over $2? Just walk. If you can't afford the bus, just walk. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. I don't know what it is, man. A lot of these young kids, man, they have a lot of built up anger in them. A lot of built up anger. And I don't know if it's maybe something going on at home or, you know, the streets or whatever. But man, at 18 years old, man, you're supposed to be getting ready to go to college or going in the military or, you know, doing something productive. Not breaking buses, okay? Like, that don't even make no sense. And then you say you just got out of jail? So you turning your life into going back and forth. You know, you're going to be in and out, in and out, in and out. This is the path that you're rolling down. Terrible, man. But anyway, good job by the officers, man. I give them a 3 out of 5. Nah. You know, he had to hawk him down. So I'm giving a 4. I'm giving a 4 out of 5, man. I had to hawk him down, get him right. She wasn't acting right. She didn't want to cooperate. Bow! Hit her with that taser. Act right, man. What you thought this was? But anyway, man, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.